Today we will see how to change Facebook password or how to change FB password in mobile. Okay, so first you open your Facebook application. If you do not find your FB application, then you go to search bar and just write Facebook. Then you will get that Facebook application. Just open it, then click to menu option. It is 3 lines at top side right corner. Then click to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy option, select setting option. Then select security and login. Then under the login, select change password option. Now enter your current password. Then enter your new password and also retype your new password. After it, click on update password button. Now your Facebook password has been changed. Okay, so you can try this method, okay, to change your Facebook password. If you have any suggestions, then write in our given below comment box. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now. Thank you.